Hello.
Hello, how are
Hi,
you?
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. It's been so long since our last session.
Yes, yes.
You didn't like our last session or what? Because you
No,
you didn't
no,
come back only.
no, it's not like that. It's just a matter of time, I think, because when I am free, you are not
Oh,
available
my
at that
timings.
time.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. So as all of us are getting used to this new system, maybe that's why, you know, it just didn't happen.
Okay.
Right. So, Megha, today we're
Ye-
going to talk about helping a friend move.
Yes.
Okay. So have you ever shifted cities?
Yes. Uh, one or two times.
Okay. Tell me about the experience.
Okay. You are asking about my shifting?
Yes, you're shifting. How was the experience of shifting cities or moving?
Okay, so if you ask me, shifting to other place is always irritating, annoying thing.
Obviously, obviously, yes.
Yes,
That's why I'm asking you that experience because it's going to be an interesting
yes,
story.
uh, yes. When I was joined my first job, that at that time I had to shift, and I just need I uh, packed luggage. Sorry, I packed up my luggage and all the things, and I moved to other place. And when you go a new place, so you are just stuck because you don't know anything about there. So you need to be familiar with the things. For that, you need to help some local person or some other guys. So yes, these are that is my experience.
That is my experience. Good, good finish. Okay. Now, Mega, tell me, you're looking away when you think. Why is that? Am I scaring you? Should I shut off my video?
No, no, what did you say?
You are looking away when you're thinking and when you're talking, right? You're
Okay.
not making eye contact. So, should I shut my video? Is
No,
my
no,
face scaring you?
no, no, it's not like that.
Alright.
I think this is my habit. You can say like that. Because I need time to think about things. So if I am seeing you, so how can I think about other things?
Why not? Why not? You have to make it a habit, right? Because if you're going to get good at communication, you're going to have to pay attention to who you're talking to, right?
Okay.
If I look away and I keep talking, the other person might think that, okay, that person is not interested and they're just talking to me because they're being polite, not because they
Okay.
actually care, right?
Okay. Okay.
So obviously now you might not have been in a situation where it matters, but from now onwards, we're going to assume that, in the next job interview or the next job itself, even when you talk to your boss, you can't look away and talk to him. You're
No,
gonna
I knew about this thing that when you talk with the person with eye contact, so it is impressive thing, and it shows your confidence level that you can
yes,
talk to the person with eye contact. But it is not happen with you. It it sorry, it happens with every tutor. When I talk to English, so I need some time, and was like like that. So yeah, but
it's okay, it's
but
okay.
but from now I will keep in mind.
Yes, you'll be aware of the problem.
Yes.
That's good. Good. So try to when you're at least on a Zoom call, try focusing on any particular thing. You can focus on this part over here, the white part, or you can focus on the blue wall behind me, or what else can you see? Let me check.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
focus on that mask, my mask over there that's hanging, right? So
Okay.
you can look at these things, okay,
Okay.
but not look at me if I'm distracting you or anything, right?
No, it's
Right?
not like that. I will try to
Yes,
have a
I'm
eye
giving you
contact with
substitute.
you. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So one more trick I'll tell you. Okay. So what
Okay.
I do is if you touch your screen if you swipe your screen to the left, you'll see that
Okay.
we are talking like you can see both the cameras, right? Can you do it?
Mm,
Just swipe left.
left. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That is
Can you
great.
see both these screens?
Yes, yes, I can see.
So you can look at yourself when you talk. You can do
Okay.
that, right?
Okay. Okay.
That way, at least you're looking in front when you're
Okay.
talking or you're thinking, right?
All right.
So
All right.
find systems, find hacks, find tricks that make
Okay.
it look like you're doing that. Okay, especially now that most things are online, you can try that. When it comes to in person, slowly improve your habits, and then maybe in 3 months or 6 months, you'll actually look at someone when you're talking to them.
Okay. I will do that. Thank you for
Right?
this trick.
Yeah, cool. So yes, you have moved and you were irritated. Okay, so I remember when I had moved to Goa. Okay, first I
Okay.
had moved to Pune, and then from Pune I went to Goa. But when I was in Goa, my company was shut. Okay, it got shut
Okay.
for some
Okay.
financial reasons. And from Goa, I had to come all the way back to Mumbai in a car with my whole house,
Okay.
which was
Okay.
really
So,
scary because
so you can keep your whole house in small car?
small car, it was a Hyundai Accent. It was a 15-year-old Hyundai Accent.
Okay. So, maybe I'm using wrong sentence. Means when we talk about house, so in a house, so many things we have. I
Yeah.
don't think so. There is a car in the world that we can put all the things from house in one car. I'm just kidding with you.
Yeah, I know. I figured. Actually, I live in a joint family. Okay.
Okay.
So obviously, I'm not going to fit my whole flat in the car, just my room. But even then, I didn't have all of it. I only took
Okay.
some things, right? Because it was a sales job, so I had to look good. So I would only carry like my good clothes and obviously the clothes that I would wear at night.
Is it a phrase kind of thing that we can use sometime when we shift and we want to say that I just keep my all things in one place and I just move? Is it like that?
Um, are you saying is there a phrase like that to
Yes,
describe the
because I
situation?
yes means maybe I got that wrong. Means I feel like you are saying that you whole house you used whole house that word. So I was like
Right.
how it was possible.
So
So
I don't
that's the
know. I
reason.
don't. Yeah, I don't know where you're from. I don't know what your lifestyle is like. Okay, but I think when I said I moved, you assumed I took my whole house, everything that belonged to me. Well,
Okay.
this house that I'm in, my parents and I live here together. Okay,
Okay.
so when I had moved to Pune, I was single. I was young. I was 22, I think. So I only
Okay.
took one bag, one suitcase, right? But
Okay.
then when I knew I had to move to Goa, I came back to Bombay. I took a lot of stuff. I took, I think, 6 suitcases. And I went back to Pune. And from there, I drove to Goa.
Okay.
So when I came back, I had, obviously, in the 4 months that I lived there, I came back and forth. So I took one suitcase, one suitcase, one suitcase. Like that, I transferred all my suitcases. But when I
Okay.
had to come back, I had to get rid of my rental house. Like I couldn't,
Okay.
I don't need to pay my rent, right? Because I'm not going to live there anymore. So I
Okay.
didn't have
Okay.
anywhere to keep it. So it was very irritating because I had a car, but I couldn't fit everything in the car. But then I also
Okay.
couldn't leave anything there because to come back all the way to Goa would take 14 hours to come back
Yes. Yes. I
for a
can
couple of
understand.
suitcases. It doesn't make sense, right? So I got rid of all of my bathroom like accessories, my buckets and my cups and brushes, and I got rid of everything I could like get rid of. Anything that
Okay.
was cheap, I got rid of. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I barely like. I remember I was sitting in the car. Okay, and I had bags in the back seat. I had
Okay.
bags in the trunk, in the dicky, as you say, and I had bags in the front seat. Even under the seats, I had like stuff. I had
Okay.
so many things, and I had a mattress that I had to parcel from Goa to Mumbai.
Mumbai.
So I
Okay.
knew for sure the mattress is not going to fit in my car. It was a double bed mattress. I'm like,
Yes.
that's definitely not fitting.
Okay.
So that is when I realized that okay, if I had a friend who could help me move, that would be so good. because I
Yes.
could have left some bags at his house and then come back 2 months later for a small vacation and then taken my bags with me, back with me, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So when you moved, did you have any sort of help from your friends?
Um,
Can I ask you
you,
where you moved from where to where?
actually, my hometown to another village. So I moved by bus, and the place we had some my seniors. I didn't know before that them, so they helped me to search house, and I kept my all things in a bus, and my father was with me at that time, and he helped
Uh-huh.
me as well, because I was younger. I think 19 years old when I shifted.
Wow.
So I didn't know anything about that. And at that was the time, even I was embarrassed to did this thing at
To
that
do these
time.
things.
Okay, to do this thing, yes. So I didn't want to do all these things, but I had to do that. So my father was there, so i I didn't do anything. Means I didn't do put extra effort for that. The thing is that the village was completely new, and I didn't want to live over there. It was completely um, what is the word? I didn't get the word. Means the thing I didn't want to do completely was मैं कुछ जाना ही नहीं चाहती थी वहां पे. Okay.
Okay. You were hesitant to go and you were uninterested.
Yes, I was uninterested to go there. Yeah,
Is uninterested even a word? Yes, it is.
I don't know.
Sometimes in my mind, I question myself.
I am also the same. Sometimes I create my own words.
Yeah, uninterested is a word. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I checked it. That.
Okay. So yeah. So that was the thing. And but slowly, by the time I wasn't any friend over there, but I made friends after shifting over there. And I after some a couple of months later, I bought my own vehicle to go uh, surrounding the
To travel.
village, travel. Yes. So yeah, by the time I came to familiar with that village.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we have about 4 minutes left, so I'll get to the corrections. Okay.
Okay.
Um, that was very well said, by the way. I'm so sorry. I just saw the time and I panicked. I'm like, I need to get the corrections in before the time is over. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I think the first mistake you made was you said, I was joined my first job. Okay. So the better way to say that is when I joined my first job or when I got my first job.
Okay.
Okay. So when you got your first job. The next thing is when you go new place. Uh, okay. When you go new place, right? That's
Okay.
what you said. Again, uh, when you go to a new place, use a preposition. So we are giving them a sense of direction. Where are you
Okay.
going? To the new place.
Yes.
Okay. So when you go to a new
Mm.
place, okay, or you can say when you move cities or when you move houses, right, or apartments, you can
Okay.
say these things to specify the direction or what you are changing. Okay.
Okay. So when I need to say go to a building, so I need to put here as well.
You have to
To
say the whole
building.
sentence. It depends on the sentence.
Go. I am searching. Nee, I am going to new building.
A new building.
A new, yes.
Yeah, I'm going to a new building. I'm
I'm going
moving to
to.
a new building. So see, going, that means you're physically going. It can be to meet a friend also.
Okay.
But I'm going to, I'm moving to a new building is that I'm shifting.
Okay. So,
Okay.
means, can I say I am going to meet my friend
Yeah,
to
that's perfect.
here? Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Understood? Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. Same thing you have to do when you're talking about actions. I'm
Okay.
going to call my dad. I'm
Okay.
going to watch a movie. Okay. Or I can't wait to eat food. I am really hungry. Or I can't wait to watch that movie. Okay.
Okay. All right. But
Always.
there is exception, I think, when we use home, go to
Yes.
home.
Yes.
We
No, we
cannot
can't use.
use, yeah.
Go home. You're right. Yes. So I know there are exceptions, but there's 2 minutes. That's why I didn't get into it. I'm so sorry. But there are some
No,
mistakes that I
no,
need to point
there
out.
is no
Okay.
problem. Okay.
Okay. You said when you were talking about shifting, you said my senior before that. I did not know my senior before that,
Okay.
them. That's what you said. I
Okay.
think you just missed a sentence in the middle. What you meant to say was, I had not met my seniors before that,
Okay.
right?
I
Before
had.
moving,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
I'm just going to give you the quick corrections. You can watch the recording to see, okay, what the mistake was.
Okay. I will do that.
My all things were in a bus, okay?
Hmm.
All my things,
All my things.
all of my things or all of my belongings were in a bus when I was moving cities or when I was moving to a new house, okay?
Okay.
I
Okay.
wasn't any friend over there. I didn't have any friend over there,
Okay.
okay? Or I hadn't made any new friends over there. I know you made friends later. I